is Mrs. Velas Joseph, staying at Vartanagar, Thane, and I had severe stomach pain. So I met Dr. Rani Jacob in her clinic. So she advised to take sonography. After taking sonography, she advised me to remove the uterus. So she suggested me this Currae Hospital, and one of your Currae staff, Mr. Sunny, also suggested us this Currae Hospital. And my husband came here and inquired about the medical aid with Mrs. Pooja Nair, and she guided us very nicely. So the 24th we fixed the operation. 24th morning we came. Afternoon Dr. Rani Jacob and team did the surgery. By God's grace it went nicely, and they shifted me in the ICU. And in the ICU our sisters are very nice, they are very excellent. I didn't remember her name. I think JC. She was with me the whole night. And then second day they shifted me into the ward. The ward also, all housekeeping, all nurses, they are very nicely and excellently, and whenever I need, they always came and helped me whatever what help I need. So I am thankful the full entire staff of this Currae Hospital. Especially I am thanking to Mrs. Rani Jacob. She treated me not like a patient. She treated me as her own mother. She is very lovable and careable. I thank God for her service, and I thank all the staffs, all the Currae entire team. God bless all of you.